what is the perfect granola made of?
The oat, some nuts, some dry fruits, some seeds.
We are going to use this baby.
Almond syrup. Plant-based milk.
We are making these pinches with our finger, and this way the pieces stick together. We are not putting in yet the dried fruits and also not the nuts because we don't want them to get burned.
Cinnamon and salt.
That sounds perfect. There is no fixed recipe. We can't know how sweet you like your granola. We are occasionally stirring it a little bit.
I really believe that there is nothing in this world that can't be eaten with tahini on top.
More water we add very gradually, the more creamy it becomes. 5 minutes. So first we added the milk, then we crowned it with the granola, and this is the tahini. And special surprise! Our homemade fig jam. That looks like a wholesome breakfast.
Open your mouth.
Always.